Hello and welcome to Maths by El Profe Lo. We're doing some work on elementary number theory and congruences. Okay, so we're going to do one final example in this series, and that is to find complete residue system modulo 7 consisting entirely of odd integers. Okay, well, if we start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a complete residue system modulo 7. Right? But this is not entirely of odd integers. I clearly have some even integers here. Right? Now, once again, we remind you that the equivalence classes under modulo m are from starting at 0 to m minus 1, and they're really just the possible remainders of division by m. Okay? So if I want this to be entirely odd integers, I can either add or subtract, because it's not saying to have positive ones. I could add or subtract so that I only have odd integers. Right? So to start with, I'm going to keep all of the ones that do have odd integers. Okay? So 1, 3, and 5 are the odd integers. Okay? Now, I'm going to add or subtract 7. I'm going to add or subtract 7 from each of the even residues to create my odd residues, right? So 0 minus 7 would be negative 7, right? So negative 7 is the same as 0, right? That if I was 7 short of something, as soon as I got 7 more, I'd have 0, right, as a remainder, okay? Another way that you could think about it is that if I went to positive 7, if I had 7 of something and I took groups of 7, it would be equivalent to having 0, okay, left over, right? So then for 2, if I add 7 to 2, that's going to give me 9, right? And of course, I could subtract 7 from 2, and another possibility would have been to be negative 5. Right? That negative 5 plus 7 is going to be 2, and 2 plus 7 is going to be 9, right? So it's okay to have positive or negative if the problem doesn't restrict you to being non-negative, right? So then 4, if I add 7 to 4, that's going to give me 11, and if I add 7 to 6, that's going to give me 13. And so a complete residue system modulo 7 consisting of entirely odd integers could be given by negative 7, 1, 9, 3, 11, 5, and 13. Of course, if I needed them to be positive odd integers, then this negative 7 would need to change to be a positive 7. All right, and in general, if we can, we like to keep it simple so that we're not making things more difficult than they need to be. All right, this has been Maths with El Profe Lo. As always, if you have questions, please do reach out.